Anybody like me, man? Anybody think rose gold is just different, man? Ooh, man. Rose gold is just different, y'all. Yellow gold is nice. You a yellow gold or you a rose gold? You a yellow gold or you a rose gold? Or you a silver, white gold? Which one is you? But rose gold is just flat out differente. Coming up with my own word. 6 top, 6 bottom. You can get for about 800 right now. Gold is back up, so we gotta keep those numbers right. But yeah, man, if you're one of my extreme fans, extreme supporters, you know, one of those people that have been rocking us from day one, I can get you a nice little code to where you can get a little of something off that too, man. You know what I mean? Trying my best, guys, but we are cranking them out, man. Main thing about us is we ask that you please not rush us because we want to make sure that it's done right. We're working on getting this process a little quicker. We got a few little things we're working on to try to get the process up, but we appreciate you guys for working with us. You guys will see. We are not perfect, but the business is scaling up. That's what's happening, and we are a small business. We're trying to bring on, we're just trying to get the businesses updated so we can keep up with everybody. But this rose gold stuff, man, get you a nice rose gold Michael Kors watch or a rose gold watch or a chain. Somebody asked me for a rose gold rope chain the other day. So you can get you a rose gold Cuban. Those are very rare. You're not gonna see a rose gold Cuban anywhere. They're out there, but you're not gonna see nobody rarely wearing them, you know. Rose gold is just different. I want to appreciate you guys, man. And I thank you guys. I want to tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys. And the business once again is scaling up. The support is scaling up. The comments have been incredible. The reviews have been just 5 stars back to back to back to back to back to back, like 12 to 15 straight in the last few weeks. So thank you guys for all of that, man. People telling the truth too. People telling exactly whether they waited a little bit longer or whether they got theirs fast. Everybody's situation is different, but some people, like I said, we got to do 2 and 3 molds, but so many people are just cool, man. Then you got the people that are the exact opposite. You can imagine what the exact opposite would be like. Uncool, you know. But yeah, you know, and they feel like because they're customers that they could talk to us any old kind of way, press us, distance. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. With any business, especially jewelry stores. Can't do that with any jewelry store. But they think because it's a black-owned jewelry store that they can do this stuff. A lot of times, 9 times out of 10, it's usually a black man, black person, black woman, black on black. You know what I mean? But yeah, this rose gold is different, and I appreciate you guys, man, for whoever, all the people that have been changing their minds off these videos I've been posting about this. Basically, this one right here. No matter of fact, it was the other one I did. It was the one with the long, extended fangs. It had the trillion cuts, but this one right here is just crazy. Thank you guys so much, and have a blessed week. All right, now, 1.